Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on Conflux and CFX. Wanted to make a full technical update for you. We could take a look at some fundamentals. I actually wanted to talk about Conflux a little bit fundamentally. So that's pretty interesting as well, I think, but in general I just try to prepare you as well as possible for everything that's about to come for Conflux. So that's what we'll do in this video. Before we dive into Conflux specifically though, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. We're nearing our 5th consecutive profitable week. So if you want to make some money, low maintenance, you don't have to do a lot. Check out the links down in the description. All right, but now onto Conflux. Let me do some last minute technical analysis. Want to swap out a fib level. But yeah, all right, so let's get right into it. And to start off with some fundamentals, I recently saw a discussion by people that a $1 billion valuation, which is right now the market cap of Conflux, is too high. That it's too that Conflux doesn't deserve that. And I just wanted to give you my 2 cents on that. I think that's not true. I do think Conflux deserves that, and the reason why I think so is that Conflux is the strongest China narrative coin there is. They have huge partnerships within China, and at least according to my research, it's proven that people in China actually invest in Conflux. And now with China kind of not cracking down, the opposite of cracking down on crypto, now that they're stimulating it a bit more, I think Conflux is actually positioned very, very well to even reach a 10 billion market cap in a bull market then. Right now, and one of the big things where that made me believe that a lot of Chinese people are investing is that usually OKX, BIT, UBU, Hotcoin Global are very prevalent volume sources when a coin is from China. So perhaps they are using those exchanges, I think so, to use those coins. So you can see that there's a lot of volume from those exchanges for Conflux. And apart from that, I mean, it's also just a Chinese project. They have partnerships with a lot of Chinese companies, so of course it's big there. But that's more for the long term. On the short term, you can see that we're not doing that well. You can see that this is kind of the market structure. We are actually trending, but we are struggling with this resistance level around 40 cents. Psychological level, 382 fib, obviously. And that's what we're struggling with. And to be honest, I'm not sure if we can break above that. Right now, you can see that Bitcoin, it's still very bullish, but it is displaying a bit of resistance from that level around 31K. So we'll have to see if Bitcoin can hold its levels around 30,000 and 30,500. I think we'll be fine. All right. And then I think Conflux also has a big chance to break out. But we'll have to see that right now. And you can actually just see that and know that just by analyzing Conflux. Because what I think now is that we have found resistance. I think we'll drop down to kind of the bottom of a triangle, which is around here between 39 cents and 38 cents. I would say that kind of area. And from there, we'll find support. If from that support we can actually break above 40 cents, then I think we're fine. And I think we can rally up to 43 and 44 again. And then from there, we'll see whether we can break above that or not. That remains to be seen. Maybe we can, maybe we cannot. We'll just have to see. It depends on a lot of things. But again, you can see all of it by just looking at Conflux. If we drop down to that 38, 37 level, we find support, but we do not break above 40 cents almost immediately, like a day after, at the very most. Then we'll probably have a bearish breakout, drop down to 37 and 36, and get back into some sort of a consolidation between 40 cents ultimately as a resistance and 36 cents ultimately as a support. So it's there's a lot of potential right now for Conflux, but it does really depend on what kind of support we get off of 38, 37 cents. Depending on that, I'll also update you. I'll monitor it closely, of course, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.